One lemon, and my oven shines like new. It's a simple, natural method that helps remove grease buildup and burnt stains without chemicals. All you need is one lemon sliced thinly. It's a fruit not only rich in vitamin C, but also a highly effective cleaning agent. Thanks to its citric acid content, it works wonders in dissolving grease, removing tough stains, and neutralizing unpleasant odors. After slicing the lemon, place the slices on a baking tray and cover them with water, just enough to create a thin layer at the bottom. Then, put the tray in the oven and set it to a high temperature. Leave it for about 20 minutes to generate lemon steam. The heat will cause the lemon juice to evaporate, and its cleaning properties will soften the burnt food remnants and greasy buildup. After this time, simply wipe the oven interior with a paper towel or a damp cloth. The result? Sparkling cleanliness without the need for harsh detergents.